Lost your certificate? Here's the step-by-step guide to getting a replacement ZIMSEC certificate. Losing an academic certificate can be frustrating, especially when you need it for employment, further studies, or immigration. Fortunately, the Zimbabwe School Examinations Council, ZIMSEC, has a clear process for obtaining a replacement certificate. Here is a simple, step-by-step guide on how to apply for a new ZIMSEC O-level or A-level certificate. 1. Confirm your candidate details. Before you begin the application, you must have your key identification details ready. Essential details. Have your original candidate number and center number from the examination session where you sat the exams. Search fee. If you do not have these critical numbers, be prepared to pay a $10 search fee to allow ZIMSEC to retrieve your records. 2. Choose your application method. ZIMSEC offers two convenient ways to submit your replacement request. Option 1. Online application. Visit the official ZIMSEC website, www.zimsec.co.zw. Locate and complete the online application form for a replacement certificate. This is often the quickest method. Option 2. In-person application. Go directly to the nearest ZIMSEC regional office. You will be assisted by staff to fill out the necessary forms and submit your application. 3. Pay the required fee. The fees for replacement certificates vary based on the level of examination. All payments must be made using official ZIMSEC channels as instructed during the application process, e.g., bank deposit, online payment portals, or at the regional office. Certificate type replacement fee. O-level replacement $85. A-level replacement $95. Optional search fee, if required, $10. 4. Provide identification. You must prove your identity to prevent fraudulent applications. Ensure you have the following. Valid identification. Carry a valid form of identification, such as your national ID, passport, or driver's license. International applicants. If you are applying from outside Zimbabwe, you may also need to provide certified copies of your identification documents. 5. Submit your application. Whether you apply online or in person, ensure all documents are correctly submitted. Online applicants. Carefully upload scanned copies of all required documents, ID, proof of payment, etc., with your completed form. Walk-in applicants. Hand in your completed application forms and make the payment directly at the regional office. 6. Keep a record. Do not leave the submission process without proof of your application. Reference number. For online applications, save the application reference number. Receipt. For walk-in applications, ensure you get an official receipt for the fees paid. This record is vital for tracking the status of your replacement certificate. 7. Wait for processing and follow up. ZIMSEC does not currently publish specific, guaranteed processing timelines for replacement certificates, which can vary depending on workload and the ease of record retrieval. Follow up. Applicants are strongly advised to follow up on their application status using the official ZIMSEC contact numbers, 0242-304551-2. This step-by-step approach ensures you have all the necessary information and documents ready, making the process of replacing your crucial academic certificate as smooth as possible. Good luck.